Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. U22 Excel Chapter 1 Prepare Restaurant Analysis Part B 1.2. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, maths, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus grades your assignments and exam and for complete course. So we move to the main step is step number one. Total step is 11. So step number one is start Excel, download and open the file name. Excel chapter 1, prepare restaurant analysis part B. Creator automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name and save the file to a location where you are storing your data file. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the Excel file. We can move to question number 2. So question number 2 is best practice is to move any blank worksheet in a workbook and delete the sheet 1. Delete the sheet 1. Delete the sheet 1. Right clicks and click the delete. So delete the sheet 1. So question number 2 is complete. We can move to question number 3. So question number 3 is you want to expand your analysis by adding another worksheet for a Saturday reservations data. Add a new worksheet and name the worksheet Saturday and change the tab color of the Saturday worksheets to blue and 5 in the top row 9 column. Change the tab color of the Friday worksheets to orange and 2 in the top row 6 column. So add the new worksheet and new worksheet name is Saturday. Copy the Saturday. The new worksheet name is Saturday. Right clicks and click the rename and paste the Saturday and press enter. Next is change the tab color of the Saturday worksheets to blue and 5 in the top row 9 column. In the Saturday worksheets to blue and 5 in the top row 9th column. Blue and 5 top row 9 column. So right clicks and click the tab color. Tab color is 9 row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 column is the blue and 5. Blue and 5 top row 9 column. Next is change the tab color of the Friday worksheets to orange and 2 in the top row 6 column. Change the tab color of the Friday worksheets. So select the Friday worksheets. Is change the tab color of the Friday worksheets to the Friday worksheets orange and 2 top row 6 column. Orange and 2 tab colors. Right clicks and click the tab color is orange and 2. Orange and 2 and click OK. So question 3 is complete. And we can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is to save a time creating the Saturday worksheets data, you will copy the Friday worksheets data and then make the adjustments to include the Saturday information. Copy all the content of the Friday worksheets and paste the content in cell A1 of the Saturday worksheets and change the data in a cell A6 to My3 and delete the data in cell range CA2 C30 and delete the data in cell range GA2 H13. Copy all the content from the Friday worksheets. Go to the Friday worksheet and select the all and copy the all data and paste the content in cell A1 of the Saturday worksheets. Go to the Saturday worksheets and paste the content of the cell A1 in the Saturday worksheet. So select the Saturday worksheets and paste the data in Saturday worksheet and change the dates in the cell A6 to My3. Change the date in cell A6. Select the cell as A6 and change the date is in the cell A6 My3. My2 to change 3 and press enter. Next is delete the data in cell range C8 to C13. So copy the range and paste the range, press enter. Is delete the data in cell CA to C13. Go to the home tabs, and click the delete the cells and delete the data. Next is delete the data in cell range GA to H13. So copy the range and paste the range, press enter. So select the range is GA to H13. We delete the data cell range GA to H13. Press delete button, delete the data. So question number 4 is complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is on a Saturday, 4 more table are made available for reservations. So you want to adjust the data to reflect the table availability in a cell A3, enter 24, in the cell B8, enter 24, and using the fill handle copy the data in a cell B8 through cell B30. Use the autofill option to fill without a formatting. So select the cell A3 and enter 24. Select the cell is A3 and enter the 24. And type the 24 and press enter. Next is in the cell B8 enter the 24. So select the cell is B8 and type the 24 and press enter. Next is use the fill handle, copy the data in a cell B8 through cell B30. B8 through B30, copy the B8 to B30. Next is use the autofill option to the fill without a formatting. The fill without a formatting. So question number 5 is complete. We can move to question number 6. So question number 6 is it is important to keep the documentation worksheets updated. On the documentation worksheet in a cell A21, enter the 5/10/25. In the cell B21, enter a Saturday. In the cell C21, enter your name, first name, last name. Format in the cell D21, enter the T and then use the autocomplete to add the text stable reservation. On the documentation worksheets, go to the documentation worksheets and in the cell A21, enter the 5/10/25. Go to the cell A21, A21 and paste the date, press enter. Next is in the cell B21, enter the Saturday. The Saturday and select the cell is B21 and paste the Saturday, press enter. Next is in the cell C21, enter your name in the first name and last name formats. In the cell C21. Cell is C21 is the first name and last name. So type the first name and last name and press enter. Next is in a cell D21, enter a T and then autocomplete to add the text table is the reservation. So select the cell is D21 and enter a T and use the autocomplete to add the text table reservation. So type a T and autofill is table reservation and press enter. So start the table reservation. So question number 6 is complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. I will guarantee you are 90 or 95 plus clears your assignments and exam.